If you have issues with mobile data on OPPO Reno 15, let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues. So first and foremost, what you can do is you can go to settings on your phone. Then over here we're gonna go to mobile network, and over here we can make sure that mobile data is enabled. You can also simply deactivate and activate mobile data back again, and sometimes this simple turn off and turn on option or action actually allows you to solve some of the issues. And besides that, if you use two SIMs on your phone, if you have two SIMs active, you want to make sure that the correct SIM is used for mobile data. So you can go over here and decide which SIM should be used for that. And also we have the mobile data switching, which allows the phone to automatically switch to a different SIM in case you have poor connection on the main one, on the default one. So if you don't want this to happen, then of course you want to make sure that this option is deactivated. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can go to the data usage, and over here you can find, let's say, the mobile data saver or data saving option, which of course can slow down the internet quite a bit, or it can restrict the access to the mobile data for some apps. So you want to make sure that either this option is disabled, or your app that you want to always be able to use freely is not set to, well, is not restricted pretty much. So you can set it to unrestricted over here so that it always have full access to mobile data, even if you use the mobile data saver. Of course, there's also the data usage limit, which can also be the reason why, for example, your mobile data turns off daily. Let's say if you have like a daily data usage set up, so you might want to adjust it or turn it off. Also, if we go to the network access over here, you can see the list of apps that have access to Wi-Fi and/or mobile data. So you want to make sure that, of course, mobile data is selected if you want to use an app of your choice with mobile data. Now, besides that, what we can also do is we can go to SIM settings, and in here we can decide if you want to use 5G, for example. So if you deactivated 5G on your phone for some reason, you might want to turn it back on just for now, at least, in order to see if that makes any difference. And if it does, then of course you might want to stick with 5G connections until, for example, the coverage of 4G or LTE is fixed, because of course there's also a possibility that your carrier or operator or service provider has some issues with the signal. Maybe there's like an outage or something like that, so you have to keep that in mind. Over here we can sometimes have the option to enable 2G connection. This actually depends on the carrier itself as well, and if you have that option, of course you can use it in order to enhance the connectivity. But as a result, if you actually do use 2G network, then of course it is less secure, it's less safe. So you might want to consider disabling this option, but for the sake of trying to fix the mobile data, you can of course enable it if you have that option, of course. Now, besides these options in here, what you can also do is you can go to more settings, and for example in here in private DNS, if you set up a specific private hostname DNS, then you might want to switch back to automatic, at least for now, just like everything else, in order to make sure that, well, to see if that helps essentially. And also if you use some sort of a VPN, this can also be the cause of some issues, so you might want to turn off your VPN, at least temporarily, to see if without it you have a proper mobile network connection. There is one more thing that we can do, and that is we can go to system and update. Actually, there are two more things, so this will be the second to last. In this case, if we go to system and update, we can go to backup and reset. Then over here we have the reset phone option, and then we have this option over here, reset network and Bluetooth settings. And in this case, if you decide to reset mobile network, you can also, well, you will reset also Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So unfortunately you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, and you will have to pair your Bluetooth devices again. But you can of course try to fix issues with mobile data by resetting mobile network settings in here. You will have to enter your screen lock password in order to confirm, but this might solve some of the issues. And the last thing that I want to mention is of course a simple restart of your phone. So just restart your phone, reboot it if you can, and sometimes even a simple restart or reboot can be actually quite helpful, so keep that in mind. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.